बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मैं कमाल अलवी आफ़ियत फ़ाउंडेशन की तरफ से आप लोगों का खैर मकदम करता हूँ। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, तहे दिल से इस्तकबाल करता हूँ कि आप अपना कीमती वक्त निकाल के यहाँ पर आए। आफ़ियत फ़ाउंडेशन एक एनजीओ है जिसके बारे में हम सेशन के बाद आपको बताएंगे तफसीर से। आज का जो सेशन है वो एसेंशियल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एफ लर्निंग इनिशिएटिव का एक हिस्सा है। एफ लर्निंग इनिशिएटिव मतलब आफ़ियत फ़ाउंडेशन इनिशिएटिव हमने एक सेक्टर ओपन किया है कि हम उम्मत की रहनुमाई कैसे कर सकें, कि उम्मत को हमारी तरफ से क्या फ़ायदा किस तरीके से पहुंचा सके, उसका एक इनिशिएटिव है। तो उसका एक पहला सेशन हमने आज उसकी शुरुआत की है और इसका मकसद है कि हमारे यूथ का कम्युनिकेशन जैसे एसेंशियल स्किल में माहिर बनकर ज़िंदगी के हर मैदान में आगे बढ़ें, चाहे वो इंटरव्यूज़ हो, लीडरशिप हो या रोज़मर्रा की लाइफस्टाइल हो। और अब मैं ज़्यादा वक्त ना लेते हुए रिस्पेक्टेड जावेद सर को दावत दूंगा कि कम्युनिकेशन के एक्सपर्ट हैं, ऑक्सफोर्ड एकेडमी के फाउंडर हैं और जावेद सर एक ऐसे मेंटोर हैं जो अपने सिंपल और इफ़ेक्टिव अंदाज में हज़ारों लोगों को गाइड कर चुके हैं। मैं दावत देता हूं जावेद सर को कि वो आएँ और हमें कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में बताएं कि कम्युनिकेशन सिर्फ बोलना नहीं, समझना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो आइए जावेद सर प्लीज़।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अच्छा, so essentially the session was going to be of 1 hour. I was supposed to start at 10 and finish at 11 sharp, but we are a little late, but I must be leaving by 11:05 or something. So that brings down our session to 45 minutes or something. Okay? Now, before we start, just few basics. We want this to be a sort of dialogue. So do not expect a one-way communication wherein I dump some slides onto you and then you make some notes. Instead, feel free to be interactive, feel free to interrupt me, and should you have any questions, raise your hand or whatsoever, just speak up. Okay? Now before we start, just I want to know from you that आप लोग जब आए यहाँ पर, you must have read the Afiyat Foundation's creative, right? So with what expectations do you come? Just couple of people from you, could you just share what expectations do you have from today's session? Yes, sir.
So the thing is that the reason of coming is that we will learn something new. We're talking about skills and presentation or anything, anywhere we are lacking or anywhere we are getting stuck. So we can share our thoughts, we can share our doubts, and we can improve it in terms of communication. Let's say we're talking with anyone, respective like if we are in company or in school or anywhere. But in any communication we are stuck. So we can freely talk in person, face to face, like what which are our doubts. If you might can help with the practice by solving those doubts, if we are saying that is the right way of communication or not.
Right. The medium of communication can be Hindi, English, both. आप हिंदी में उर्दू में बात कर सकते हैं, सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, और you could go about English. Right? It's your choice. Understood? Again, I repeat my question. What do you hope to get at the end of this session? जब सेशन पूरा हो, ठीक है, around 11:05, what do you hope to get? किसी तो expectations आए होंगे. Just tell me your name. Tell me your name, please, first. Tell me your name first.
My name is Arish.
Aris.
Arish.
Go ahead.
Maybe we can just take down some key points which can help us to communicate better by the end of the session.
Okay, fine. Anything else? It's also fair. You say like, I am blank, I have no expectations, I've just come, I'll sit and see how it goes. That's also fair. I believe most of us fall into that category. I'm okay with that. Right? That makes my job easier. When you don't have expectations, makes my job easier. Right? Anybody else in the last? There? No? Last benches, I'll keep coming back to you again and again. Right? Yes, please go ahead.
आपका जिस सेशन हमको हमारे कॉन्फिडेंस में इजाफा होगा ये थिंकिंग के साथ.
Right, nice. I appreciate that. Thank you. Right. And one last person. Anybody else from this side? This side only Ari spoke. Yes, sir. You please remain seated. No worries.
Articulation, how to speak, articulate.
Okay. Fine, fair enough. See, first thing first. It is communication and not communication. It is not co, it is ka. Okay. Second thing, when we say the effective communication, right? मैं ऐसा कम्युनिकेटर बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं इस तरीके से कम्युनिकेट करना चाहता हूँ that be it in my personal life or be it my professional life, I should be the beneficiary of my communication ability. Are you understanding this? Yes or no? हाँ, हम हमारी निजी ज़िंदगी में भाई से, बहन से, फैमिली मेम्बर से, फ्रेंड से भी कम्युनिकेट, and talk about your professional life, your vice president, your CEO, your managing director, your reporting managers and HR and other people, we communicate with them also, right? Now my focus is more towards the professional communication, wherein you have communication with your colleagues at your workplace. In this category also, there may be two types of people: people who already have jobs and they are required to communicate at the workplace, people who are students and probably are looking up towards doing job in the future, and they may require to communicate in the future, right? So we're going to be talking about both these things, but more focus more such as such, is towards the professional communication. Okay, before I open up the slides, by the way, there are so many slides and I'll not be able to cover all of them. I'm just going to go through some basics of the communication today, right? Tell me randomly, if I have good communication ability, and mind you, I'm not talking about English here. गुजराती में, हिंदी में, उर्दू में, किसी भी ज़बान में अगर मैं अच्छा कम्युनिकेटर हूँ, मेरी कम्युनिकेशन एबिलिटी अगर सही है, तो मुझे कौन से फ़ायदे होते हैं? मुझे कोई 3 या 4 फ़ायदे बता दो. I repeat my question for the benefit of everybody, right? मेरा कम्युनिकेशन इज़ गुड. I'm not talking about English. My communication is very good. मेरा जो वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन इज़ गुड. तो मुझे कौन से 3 या 4 फ़ायदे होते हैं सर?
Sir, my name is Mohammad Yasir Sayyed, and when you, my answer will be that when the communication is good, then the listener will be able to understand what you are willing to say. And the second thing, the relation between the bridge between the listener and the speaker will be better, so that the things will be very smooth and the message will be easily given to the listener and understood by listener, and that is the best way to get the things done in a good way.
Right. What do you do, by the way?
I am a trainer in iFedora company.
Oh,
as
nice.
a medical billing trainer.
And what do you
And I
teach?
have worked as a lecturer in Hotel Management College for 7 years.
Nice.
And I have worked. I have done BSc in Catering Science in Hotel Management, and I have got 19 years of experience in hotel industry. Right now, I am a blind person, and I try to be a motivator for students.
Nice. You're very loud and clear. Nice. Anybody else? You know my question. My question is, how will my communication help me? Ji. Tahir. Shaikh. Okay.
You down to people.
Okay.
To make people know about Islam in a better way.
Can't you do that in Hindi or Gujarati?
That's the communication actually.
Huh?
That is also communication.
Right.
It's not about language is not a barrier.
Right.
That's the vehicle to private thoughts, right?
Exactly.
So, as he said, speaking in Hindi, Gujarati or anything, the idea was a communication. If you are good at communication, you can elaborate what you're trying to say. And
Right.
as far as you are able to elaborate, you can articulate, you can understand, and that leads to so many things.
Right.
Negotiation. You can crack a deal. You can have a good communication. So you can even to ask for what you're actually looking for. You can get a job. It actually depends upon how you communicate. So everything, I would say like 50%, 60% of the job requires communication.
Exactly. Yes. As I said, language is just a communication. Of course, you can do it in Gujarati, Hindi also. Language is the medium. Okay. One last person. Anybody? Ryan.
कम से कम वक्त में हम साफ तरीके से अपनी चीज़ को समझा सकते हैं।
Right.
और अगर हमारा कम्युनिकेशन एकदम साफ हुआ तो लाइक सामने वाला भी हमको अटेंशन से सुनता है। वो फायदे मैंने देखे हैं।
Right. Okay. Sir, you want to contribute something?
कम्युनिकेशन के मेरे हिसाब से क्लियर कम्युनिकेशन के जो बेनिफिट्स रहेंगे तो सबसे पहले आप किसी पे भी ट्रस्ट गेन कर सकते हो।
Right.
आप अपना बॉन्ड अच्छा कर सकते हो, आप किसी को भी अच्छे से कन्विंस कर सकते हो।
Right.
So, मेरे लिए
Right. यू सी वी आर ह्यूमन बींग्स, ठीक है, और इंसान की फितरत ये होती है सीखने के मामले में कि जब तक मैं क्यों सीखूं ये समझ में नहीं आता, मैं नहीं सीखता, राइट, एंड दैट्स फेयर इनफ। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? मैं स्केटिंग क्यों सीखूं? स्केटिंग सीखने से मेरा क्या फ़ायदा होगा या मुझे क्यों सीखना चाहिए? अगर उसका जवाब मेरे जहन में बहुत पॉजिटिव नहीं है, आई विल नॉट लर्न, ठीक है, मुझे उसकी कोई ज़रूरत महसूस नहीं होती है। वाई शुड आई बिल्ड माई कम्युनिकेशन? मैं कम्युनिकेशन क्यों सीखूं? मैं क्यों अपना कम्युनिकेशन बिल्ड करूं? द वाई ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन शुड बी एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर। अगर वो मेरे जहन में क्लियर है तो देन आई विल पुट सम एफर्ट्स in learning communication. If I don't think it is very important, then probably it is not worth my time and energy, or so what I feel, right? The biggest benefit of having a good communication, and mind you, I say this, after almost 14 years in corporate, right? My background is learning and development, and my expertise in the areas of behavioral training. Okay? And right now what I do is I do training consultancies for the companies like Hitachi, Hyrel, Trebridge, Zobi, right? So I go and I train the people on the behavioral part. The biggest advantage I have seen of communication, that when it comes to professional growth, for example, मैं किसी कंपनी का CEO हूँ, मुझे अब नेक्स्ट पोजीशन पे, मैनेजर पे या सीनियर मैनेजर पे किसी को मुझे प्रमोट करना है। मेरे पास 2 लोग हैं, मेरे पास 2 एम्प्लॉइज़ हैं, दोनों ही 10 साल से इस कंपनी के अंदर काम कर रहे हैं, दोनों के पास मास्टर डिग्री है, दोनों के दोनों इंजीनियर हैं, दोनों के दोनों एफिशिएंट हैं, ठीक है, इन टर्म्स ऑफ देयर वर्क दे आर परफेक्ट। यू लुक एट द डिलीवरेबल्स फॉर द पास्ट 10 years, दे आर परफेक्ट, राइट? सो देन the factor which helps me decide that who should be my next manager or senior manager is the ability to communicate, right? If you are not a communicator, if you are not a good communicator, you cannot be a good leader. Are you understanding? In corporate, in order to grow up the hierarchy, the professional hierarchy, it is imperative, it is mandatory that you and I have excellent communication ability, both verbal and written also. Are you understanding this? Yes. So that is why we need it. If your objective is just to find the job, you will find it with an average communication also. But if your objective is to grow up, right, then you have no way out. You have no way out but to work on your communication ability. Your degree, your skills will set you foot the door in. You can get in the door. अब कंपनी के अंदर दाखिल हो सकते हैं, लेकिन कंपनी के अंदर ग्रो, ठीक है, that is solely the way you talk to people around, to your peers, to your superiors and the people who are below you. All right? Okay, that brings me to the next point, right? What is communication? So you have already given answer as per your understanding, right? But I'll tell you what the corporate definition of communication says, right? It has 4 different elements. Communication has 4 different elements. Anybody has any idea about it? No? Yes? Okay. Empathy, who was that? Okay. Sympathy. Okay, I'm talking about, if somebody asks you to define communication, how will you define communication?
Sir, I can define in normal words.
Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, communication starts with the soul, processed by brain, spoken by tongue, and explained by eyes. That is called a communication.
Excellent definition. Appreciate your input. Thank you. Corporate says कि कम्युनिकेशन के अंदर 4 अलग अलग स्टेज होते हैं, ठीक है? नंबर 1, इट्स ओके इफ आई राइट हियर, राइट रयान? नंबर 1, देयर इज अ सेंडर. नंबर 1, देयर इज अ सेंडर ऑफ message. So process. So next is message. This is first, this is second, and then when there is a sender, there is also a receiver. But fourth is, according to me, a very crucial stage of communication, and that is, sorry, understanding.
Pairing the sender and the receiver.
Okay. Yes, sir. Listening. Okay. That is feedback. That is feedback, or in other words, you can say that is an acknowledgement. That is an acknowledgement. Okay. So there is a sender that sends a message to a receiver, and receiver acknowledges that yes, I received a message. Right. This is the complete cycle of communication. Right. For example, let us that there is we all are a part of one company. I am into human resource, and मुझे एक छोटा सा मैसेज आपको देना है. Tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is a, what is this? Very good, right? You guys are very bright. That is a message. I am, you are, right? And how do I know whether you received my message or not? You will acknowledge. You say, very good, nice, excellent. Monday, who doesn't like Monday holiday? Are you understanding this? Yes or no? Now, so this happens at your home also. You say something to your mom, you are a sender, your mom is a receiver, whatever you are saying is a message, and your mom's reaction is a feedback, right? And if there is no reaction, that means communication is not complete. Maybe she did not hear you, so you want to repeat your message. Is this clear? Simple as that. For example, today, I am a sender, message is communication, you guys are receiver, and your nodding is a feedback, right? That whatever I am saying is reaching to you or not. Understood this? Now, this is a communication, but is communication ko, sorry about my handwriting. This is a communication, he does it, I do it, he does it, Rayan does it, sir does, everybody does it. Everybody does it. But we all do it in a varying degree of efficiency. हमारे में से कुछ लोग इस कम्युनिकेशन को बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से करते हैं, बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से मैसेज भेजते हैं, ठीक है? कुछ लोगों का तरीका is not that effective, right? So the point is that are there any ways that I can make this process more impactful? We all do that, yes or no? चाहे अच्छा करें बुरा करें, right? What's your name, बच्चा? Aman. Aman, what do you do? You're in 11th. Are you a focus student? No? Okay, right. We here. So we all are doing communication. ठीक है, हमको पता हो ना हो कम्युनिकेशन तो हम लोग करते ही हैं, ठीक है? लेकिन हम में से कुछ अच्छे कम्युनिकेटर हैं, कुछ एवरेज कम्युनिकेटर हैं, कुछ बहुत बुरे कम्युनिकेटर हैं, राइट? हाउ कैन आई मेक दिस प्रोसेस नाइस, बेटर, राइट? इन अ वे जो मैंने आपको शुरू में पूछा कि जिससे मुझे प्रोफेशनल फायदा मिले, राइट? सो कॉर्पोरेट में दिस इज अगेन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट. दे से देयर आर 7 C's of the effective communication. How many of you have heard of 7 C's? No, because all these things start with C. That is why they are called 7 C's, right? So I'm going to open up the presentation. I'm going to discuss those 7 C's, have a little bit of discussion, and then we conclude our session. Okay, right? Given the time limit that we have, this is the maximum that we can do. All right, people? Yes, and feel free to be participative, give your inputs, contribute. As I said in the beginning, we are going to have a dialogue. It is not going to be a one-way session, right? Yes. Now the first C is, this is clear. What do you understand by clear? Yes, now he raises his hand for the first time. What's your name?
My name is Akram.
Akram, mashallah. Yes.
In the part of communication, the clear word meaning that the sender and receiver, how the communication, how they sharing their feelings to each other, how they handling the matter, how they dealing,
what the purpose. If they make things understand each other, it's clear. Then it's going to be a perfect communication. And
Good.
that is done. I think that is.
Nice. Yes, please.
Clear sends the message is clear.
Right.
Sender is sure what he's saying, the message is the
Receiver.
receiver is also sure what is the message.
What do you do?
I'm
You're an accountant? You're very good English for an accountant actually.
I think the message should be enough loud to be clear.
Loud as in like high pitch?
No, enough, which is clearly the listener can listen.
I appreciate all of you trying to speak English. I really appreciate that, right? Feel free to switch into other language also, but as long as you try, it's absolutely okay. And do not worry about making mistakes, okay? Do that. Feel free to. You're allowed to. Right, yes. Anybody else? Clear?
My name is Sufyan Ahmed. The clear means the receiver will understand sender message clearly.
Yes, your message there should not be any scope of ambiguity. You understand ambiguity? Confusion, अस्पष्टता. राइट, ठीक है. आई एम इन दिस क्लासरूम, अभी 10 मिनट हो गए, अभी तक कोई आया नहीं. फिर मुझे पता चला इस क्लासरूम में नहीं, किसी और क्लासरूम में आना था. तो भाई पहले क्यों क्लियरली नहीं बताया कि इस रूम में नहीं आना था, किसी और रूम में आना था? ठीक है, मैं तो उस फोकस पे खड़ा हूँ कब से. मैं तो उस फोकस पे खड़ा हूँ, आपको बताना था ना कि इस फोकस पे आना है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? मैसेज हैज टू बी एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर. दैट इज पार्ट 1 of having a clear communication. Second C is concise. What is concise? Short and simple. Concise. This row is very silent. What's your name?
Yes, I'm not sure.
Ajaz Ahmed, mashallah. Yes, Ajaz, what do you understand by concise? No idea? Do you want to contribute? Anybody else? Sir has already, he's right, but anybody else wants to contribute? Concise? Yes, please.
The message should be up to the point with a clear vision, and the words should be limited. That
Right.
is called concise.
Absolutely. Now again, as I said, that I am talking in terms of the corporate here, right? A lot of students, if they are BA BCom students, right, being an English literature student, हम जितने ज़्यादा पेज लिखते हैं उतने ज़्यादा हमें मार्क्स मिलते हैं. ठीक है, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के अंदर 3 घंटे के एग्जाम के अंदर हमें सिर्फ 5 सवाल पूछे जाते हैं. 5 सवाल, 5 क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, 6 पेज तो 20 में से 12, 7 पेज तो 20 में से 15. ठीक है, इट इज फिक्स. सो द मोर यू राइट, द मोर एलॉबरेटिव यू आर. And then inversely what happens is the moment you go to corporate, right, वहाँ पर लेंथ का कोई मार्क्स नहीं है. ठीक है, वहाँ पर क्वालिटी मैटर्स, राइट. टू से what you want to say clearly in the minimum possible words, that is concise, right, not at the risk of compromising the quality of the message. Remember that. Okay, you cannot cut out. Yes, yeah, no worries.
I'm just trying to understand you. So using abbreviation or technical terms, that can be also part of process. Because if I instead of explaining the whole thing, I would say ROI. You're able to understand what is spent, right? And that minimize the message. Does it include into concise?
No, it does not. See, that's a jargon. How many of you know what is ROI? Return on investment, right? So using abbreviation has nothing to do with concise. We are saying that the overall message has to be concise.
So I will give you one example.
Sure.
When we send a mail, there is a subject column. We write the subject. That subject is very concise.
Right. Yes.
Abbreviation use the clear वाले point पर direct पर.
Clear वाले point पे could be yes. But in corporate we do that. FII, right? Who uses for your information? We use FII. Yes sir, FII, right?
That's why if you clear करेंगे जो new joinees होते हैं,
हाँ.
new students आ रहे हैं,
Right.
sorry new candidates आ रहे हैं जो join कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
कभी उनको नहीं clear होता है, तो उनको
हाँ.
बताना पड़ता है. FII stands for your information.
Right. Yes.
So as you said, it depends on the receiver also.
It depends on the receiver,
Like
right?
how much understanding he wants.
Right, right. Because ultimately you want your communication to be effective. If your receiver does not understand it, it is not an effective communication, by the way. So the second one is concise. By the way, there are next 7 slides which will give you the example of clear also, concise also. So I have brought some examples also. So let's go next, please. Number 3 is, what is concrete?
Perfect reason.
Okay. Yes, sir.
With the perfect explanation,
Huh.
and it should be very clear and loud so that the person can understand the importance of that word.
Okay.
Facts.
Facts. Yes, it should be supported with facts. Right? Corporate में अपने opinion के लिए कोई जगह नहीं होती है. Will you please go on the blank? blank. B. Yes. I want to share a very important thing with you, just on the side note, right? Because we are talking about corporate. Before 4 years, I was interviewed for Amazon Bangalore, okay? And the position was very nice, Senior Learning and Development Manager, right? The salary in Amazon, you know that, right? Amazon offers excellent. Now, Amazon has 18 leadership principles. 18 leadership principles हैं उनके, by which they live, okay? I am coming to this point, the communication point, it should be concrete, okay? अब Amazon's interview process is such, ठीक है, कि depending on what level you are being hired, right, there are several rounds of interview, and in each round they check your ability against the 2 leadership principles. तो आज का अगर कोई इंटरव्यू राउंड है तो उसमें 2 लीडरशिप प्रिंसिपल्स पर वो मेरा इंटरव्यू लेंगे, फिर दो. अगर आप बहुत सीनियर पोजीशन पर हैं के लिए हायर हो रहे हैं तो आपके 9 इंटरव्यू होंगे, 9 राउंड के, जिसमें 18 के 18 लीडरशिप प्रिंसिपल्स आएंगे. मैं सीनियर मैनेजर की पोजीशन पे हायर होने वाला था, तो मेरे 7 राउंड्स थे इंटरव्यू के, और 14 लीडरशिप प्रिंसिपल्स वो मुझे they were going to hire, and the entire interview process was for 11 days, राइट? आज मंडे को एक इंटरव्यू है जिसमें से एक बंदा होगा बेंगलोर से और एक बंदा होगा वॉशिंगटन डीसी से, फिर दूसरा है मतलब एक पुणे से होगा, फिर चाइना से होगा. 1 नेशनल मेंबर एंड 1 इंटरनेशनल मेंबर, 2 people they interview you over the video call. I remember in the final round of interview, the person who was going to be my boss, right, he interviewed me, and then he was asking me the questions about कि आपके previous career के अंदर, ठीक है, क्या आपको कभी ऐसा चैलेंज आया है कि जहाँ पर आपको अपने लीडरशिप को चैलेंज करना पड़ा हो, ठीक है? They were wrong, right? And you were right. So how did you challenge, right? And what was the outcome at the end of the confrontation, ठीक है? So I said that this was the situation, this is how I challenged, and this is how it was, right? And ultimately I was right. So they said, yeah, that is fine, but do you have any data? Do you have any data to say that you were right? Are you understanding? Yes. Today we are conducting this session, right? In the end, at 11 o'clock, we say that, oh, chalo, kaisa tha session? You say it was very effective. It was very, if you feel, right? But that is your opinion. That is your opinion, right? Do we have any facts and figures to support that this was a very successful session?
Proven experience to both sides.
Right? Do we have any data? Right? We don't have any data. And if you don't have data, it is not concrete, it is your opinion. Right? So the companies like Amazon that you say मैंने इतनी trainings की और ये किया वो किया, that is okay. आपकी training के ऊपर ठीक है कितने लोगों में behavior में फ़र्क आया उसके percentage बताओ, 53, 58%, 68%. Do you have data? You don't have data, then it is just a opinion. Opinion में और fact में क्या फ़र्क होता है? ओपिनियन में और डेटा में क्या फर्क होता है? डेटा ओपिनियन में और that is we will remember, no, that is we will remember, of course you will remember. If you are at a manager level you remember that, but if I am saying कि भाई मैंने इतने communication level के trainings किए और मैं इतने लोगों की लाइफ तब्दील कर दी, where is the data? Are you understanding this? Yes. 50 लोगों ने अटेंड किया, उसमें से 40 लोगों का अगले 3 महीने के अंदर परफॉर्मेंस इंप्रूव हुआ, तो लाओ परफॉर्मेंस इंप्रूवमेंट का डेटा. और अगर डेटा नहीं है तो देन यू आर जस्ट ब्लफिंग. You understand? आप मन गढ़ंत कहानियां बना रहे हो. You don't have any data to support. This is the difference between the opinion and the facts. Slightly difference, right? Data. If you have a data, that is a fact. If you don't have data, it is just an opinion. So what by concrete we mean is that whenever you say something, it is supported with a strong data. Will you please go there? Okay, concrete. The next part is the information, whatever you are sending has to be correct, right? Whatever message is being sent has to be correct. There cannot be any factual flaws in the message. Next is, what is coherent, people?
It's soft, clear. It's another synonym, I guess, for clear.
Okay.
Or maybe related to the point. Other points should be related to the main topic.
Right. The last,
Relation between the one thing to another thing.
right. The last batch, are you with me or did I lose you? You with me? Okay, because there is no input from there. Yes.
We are the lord of the task.
Ah, right.
We are always following.
Right. I'm glad you are here in our session. Yes. Anybody else? Coherent? No. So remember, coherent is the logical sequencing of the message. This is the logical sequencing of the body. Eyes come here, eyes don't come here. Are you understanding? This is the cohesion. Somebody is out there. This is a cohesion, right? Your lips are here, your neck is here. If you had your eyes here and lips here and nose somewhere else, right, it would not be in cohesion. So when you are giving a message, it should logically make some sense. If it is logically not understood, it is not in cohesion. That is what it means by cohesion. Next, complete, right? Not incomplete. You mentioned everything. ठीक है, बिल्डिंग का नाम भी लिखा लेकिन ब्लॉक लिखना भूल गए या अपार्टमेंट नंबर लिखना भूल गए, तो बिल्डिंग में तो आ जाएगा लेकिन कौन से फ्लोर पे जाना है उसको नहीं पता चलेगा. नेक्स्ट, courteous. Courteous, that's the last C. You see all of them start with C, C, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that is 7 C's, right? Courteous. Courteous. What is courteous? What is courteous? Sorry, who said that?
Giving respect to the listener.
Right. Courteous. Polite. Courteous is polite, right? And again, it is a very, very important part of corporate communication. Remember, people with whom you share formal relationship, it is imperative, it is very important that your tone is very courteous, right? And if you are not courteous, you come across as somebody who is not very professional, right? I'll just give you an example. Yesterday, what happened is, my son's school approached us. I was supposed to fill up some form for his iCard. My son is in junior KG. And I missed the deadline. Okay, they had asked us to do it before a couple of weeks. I missed the deadline because my son is not here. So the school coordinator sent me a message. Why have you not filled up this yet? Are you understanding? As if she was yelling at me. Now, while it is right that I am at fault, I should have complied, right? But under no circumstances can you be non-courteous or impolite to your customer. I am her customer, by the way, right? Customer's fault or not fault, you cannot afford to be non-courteous with your customer. Simple as that, right? You can always politely say that I don't want to do business with you, but you want to do business with that person also, and at the same time you don't want to be courteous. Both the things cannot go hand in hand. Are you understanding? If it is a corporate communication, no matter how mad you are at the person, but the communication has to be courteous. You may be very upset with that person. He may not have given you money or whatsoever, right? But being courteous is not an option when it comes to a corporate communication, right? Understood? Now on the next slides, we are going to understand these 7 C's with examples. So let's go to the next slide, which talks about the clear. What is clear? Clear, the message should be easy to understand with no ambiguity, right? If you send me an email and I have to ring you up to understand your message, that means your message is not clear. तो फिर message का मतलब ही क्या हुआ? Phone पे ही बता देते. Are you understanding? Yes or no? So if I have to reach you, if I have to dial up to understand what was your message, is not clear enough. I give an example also. For example, let's meet soon. Let's meet soon. My soon is after 5 minutes. Your soon is after 5 days. right? So the clear message will be, let's meet on Monday at 3 p.m. in the conference room, right? And then you will share me the feedback, done, not done, whatever it is. So that is clear. Next one is concise. Concise is to the point. Somebody said that, you know, it is short and to the point. Keep it brief and to the point. Avoid unnecessary words, right? A lot of words should not be there. For example, I am writing this email to let you know that we are going to have a meeting tomorrow because we need to discuss the project updates. Instead, you can say we have a project update meeting tomorrow, right? Say the same thing but in the minimalist way. Third, concrete. The message should be specific and supported with data, with facts, right? We just discussed that the difference between the fact and opinion is the data, right? So if you say sales were good last quarter, sales were good last quarter, instead you say sales increased by 18% in quarter 1, led by a 25% rise in online orders. This is facts. Next, the information should be correct. The communication should be grammatically and factually accurate. That is something I see a lot in the corporate when people send emails. Although there is autocorrect, although there is ChatGPT, although there is Google, but still a lot of people make some horrific mistakes, right, while sending an email, and that can actually, you know, kill the essence of entire message. For example, we should increase marketing. Also, HR is, no, go back please. They're coming to office later today. Instead of there, it should be they are coming to office. Even if you don't intend to, it is always important that you double check your communication. Sometimes autocorrect खुद जाके correct कर लेगा जबकि आपने correct लिखा है फिर भी, ठीक है? So it is very, I see we all have same experiences, right? So please double check that whatever you're sending is to the point. Next please. Coherent, right? A lot of you were not very clear about coherent. As I say, that it's a logical flow of the communication. The message should be logical, well structured and consistent. Eyes first, then nose, then lip, then chin, then this is the consistency, right? इसमें से एक भी अंग ऊपर नीचे नहीं हो सकता. We should increase marketing. Also, HR is hiring. By the way, our Q3 goals are pending, right? It is not coherent. The coherent will be to meet our Q3 goals, we need to boost marketing and continue with HR recruitment. Please go next. Number 6, the message, the communication should be complete. Complete includes all the necessary information to the intended audience, right? Complete information भेजें. बहुत सारी बार ऐसा होता है, email भेज दिया फिर पता चला अरे ये तो रह गया. Then there is a top up email. Attachment रह गया, then you have to send a separate attachment, right? Please submit your assignment. I would say this is not a complete message. Complete message would be when you say please submit your assignment by Friday 5 p.m. via this email. Okay? And the last one was, what was the number 7? Okay, it's already done. Courteous, right? Include all necessary information to the audience, the audience needs. Please, be polite, respectful and positive. You didn't send the file. Directly saying, yaar, you were supposed to come at 10 o'clock, you did not come at 10 o'clock. You guys came late. Right? So instead, even if you are not very happy with the people not coming on time, right, there is no substitute of being courteous to people, right? So you would always say that, could you please share the file when you get a moment? Thank you. Are you understanding? So if we have these 7 things in our communication, we increase our chances of having our communication more professional, more effective, right? And again, why should we have more effective communication? Because we want to grow in our career, right? If communication was nowhere linked to our interests, right, all of us will not be sitting in this room. Yes or no? Now, go on the blank. If I ask you that you can choose any 2 C's out of these 7 C's, all of them are very important. All of them very important. But if I put a gun on your head and say, no, only 2, which C's will you choose? Yes?
First one clear, my message clear for us.
Okay.
Last one is complete, courteous.
Courteous.
Polite होना चाहिए हमारे पास।
Very good. You would choose these two C's. Okay. Anybody else? Yes, sir. Clear and complete. You are saying that these C's are very important. Why?
और सामने वाले को जो मतलब बता रहे हैं क्लियर होना चाहिए और समझने वाले को भी मतलब समझ आना चाहिए और कंप्लीट होना चाहिए मैसेज।
Rayan, what is the time by the time?
It's 10.
10:57. We have 3 minutes.
Point 2 and point 7, concise and courteous.
Concise and courteous. Why would courteous? I understand. Why would concise? Would you-
Concise, I mean, it will be to the point.
Huh.
So the message will be strong.
Hmm.
That's it.
Right. Okay. And anybody else?
Clear and coherent, I think, yes. Clear and coherent.
Right.
Clear and correct.
Clear and
Correct.
correct. Clear and correct. Right. Okay. So coming down to the last thing which I wanted to discuss with you people is that, so we talked about the 7 C's. This presentation is with Afiyat Foundation. I don't mind if they share this presentation with you, right? So you can ask them if I don't know their policies, if they are okay sharing with you, go ahead. There are so many slides, but I just skipped, to this 7 C's. One last thing, right? Listening is a very important part of communication. Listening. Are you understanding? The best listeners are the best of communicators. Right? Aaj, if you meet people today, right, you will see कि अगर आप 1000 लोगों को मिलेंगे तो अच्छा बोलने वाले, अच्छी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग वाले, ठीक है, आपको 1000 में से 20, 25, 30, 40 तो मिल ही जाएंगे, हैं, जिनका कम्युनिकेशन मतलब पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इज़ वेरी गुड. लेकिन 1000 लोगों में से एक अच्छा सुनने वाला, वन गुड लिसनर मिलना इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. आज हर कोई बोलना चाहता है. Nobody wants to listen, right? And to be a good communicator, the very first step is to be a good listener. Unless you listen, right, and absorb things, you cannot become a good actor. How many of you heard of Meryl Streep? Meryl Streep? No? Have you seen the movie The Iron Lady? Devil Wears Prada? No? Devil Wears Prada? Yeah, so that is Meryl Streep. Meryl Streep stands to be the only actress in Hollywood who has 3 Oscar awards. ठीक है, पूरी ज़िंदगी में 50 साल 60 साल के करियर में अगर एक ऑस्कर भी मिल जाता है किसी को, right? So they are the best elites of the Hollywood. This lady has won 3 Oscar awards. 3 is a lot, right? In my knowledge, nobody has won 3 Oscar awards, and that too, she won all the 3 awards for her excellent acting ability. Acting ability. When you watch movies like Devil Wears Prada or Iron Lady, where she is playing the role of the Prime Minister of England, Margaret Thatcher, ठीक है? She said in her interview that I am a good actor because I am a good listener. अगर मैं लोगों को ध्यान से नहीं सुनती बहुत सालों तक, ठीक है, तो मेरे पास लोगों को देने के लिए in terms of acting I would have nothing. I would have nothing. अगर हम सिर्फ बोले रखें, if we keep speaking and we do not listen to people, we will become hollow, we will become empty, we will have nothing to give back to people. Are you understanding? So हम में से हर कोई यहाँ पर बैठा हुआ, everybody, if we want to become a good communicator, let us start with being a good listener, right? Listen. अब उस पर भी अलग से पूरा 1 घंटे का सेशन हो सकता है. हमारे में से बहुत सारे लोग सुनते हैं जवाब देने के लिए. अभी जवाब दे दूंगा, मुंह बंद कर दूंगा इसका. ठीक है, लिसनिंग किस लिए हो रही है? इसलिए कि उसका मुंह तोड़ जवाब दे दिया जाए, कि इसलिए कि उसको समझा जाए और प्रोसेस किया जाए. Right? Many of us are the culprit of this, right? That while we are listening, we are preparing our answer. अच्छा ऐसा ये बोल रहा है, अभी इसको ये जवाब देता हूँ मैं. We are not fully attentively listening. We are listening to respond. We are not listening to understand. Right? So with this note, I will conclude today's session. Right? I thank Afiyat Foundation for giving me this opportunity to come here and interact with you people. and I also appreciate you guys coming here, spending your time, and I hope whatever we delivered was helpful, right? I also like to connect to people, so you can always go on the LinkedIn profile and find me. My name is Javed Vidani. So you go on LinkedIn, look up, if you want to connect, you're welcome, right? Look up for my name, and then I'm happy to connect with you there, right? So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
And at the same time, you'll have to excuse me, I'll have to go because I have one more session at 11:15. Right, Rayan? Huh.
एक्चुअली आफियत फाउंडेशन की जिम्मेदार टीम के लिए आपने इतना अच्छा कीमती वक्त दिया और पर्सनली मुझे बहुत अच्छा फीडबैक आपका जो सेशन है बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव लगा।
Thank you.
तो हमारी टीम की तरफ से एक छोटा सा एक गिफ्ट दिए।
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. But yeah, my apologies. I'll have to go. I have something else to do. 11:15 sharp. Ji sir.
I just request like in coming time, all the sessions like this thing here, जो भी helpful,
हाँ.
coordinate करके आपके foundation से,
हाँ.
if you can schedule, would be appreciated.
I'm more than happy to do it. But the ball is in their court.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm more than happy to do it.
You are the perfect example of effective communication. This is the reason.
That's a very sweet feedback I have received from my audience. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, people. But excuse me, right? Chalo, Ryan, thank you, bhai.
जज़ाकल्लाह खैर, आप लोग ज्वाइन हुए, आप लोगों ने कम्युनिकेशन का लेक्चर अटेंड किया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। अभी मैं आप लोगों के सामने एक आफियत फाउंडेशन का छोटा सा तारुफ देना चाहता हूँ कि काफ़ी लोग तो हमारे ग्रुप में जुड़े हुए हैं, तो उनको पता है कि आफियत फाउंडेशन कैसे काम करता है। तो सिर्फ मुझे ये जानना है कि आफियत फाउंडेशन के बारे में कौन नहीं जानता, किसने फ़र्स्ट टाइम नाम सुना है? अच्छा, ओके, माशाल्लाह, ठीक है। आफियत फाउंडेशन, ओके, वेरी गुड, अकरम, ओके। तो आफियत फाउंडेशन एक NGO है, गवर्नमेंट रजिस्टर NGO है, जिसकी शुरुआत 2022 में की थी हमने। आफियत फाउंडेशन अहमदाबाद बेस्ड NGO है और हम लोग मुख्तलिफ 4 सेक्टर में काम करते हैं। शुरुआत हमने की थी राशन की किट से, उसके बाद जैसे जैसे थोड़ा थोड़ा कारवां आगे बढ़ता गया, हम लोग मेडिकल हेल्प में आए। मेडिकल हेल्प के बाद कुछ मशवरे हुए, कहीं से हमारे ग्रुप मेंबर्स ने हम लोगों को सजेशन दिए। उसके बाद हम लोगों ने एजुकेशन सेक्टर ओपन किया। एजुकेशन सेक्टर ओपन करने के बाद फिर हम सेल्फ रिलायंट में आए। सेल्फ रिलायंट का मतलब आत्मनिर्भर। तो ये 4 मुख्तलिफ सेक्टर में हम लोग काम करते हैं। जो आफियत फाउंडेशन के ग्रुप में नहीं जुड़ा हुआ, सेशन कंप्लीट होने के बाद हम उनको ऐड भी करेंगे इंशाल्लाह, तो आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा कि आफियत फाउंडेशन किस तरीके से काम करते हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारा जो मिशन होता है वो सिर्फ गरीबों की मदद करना नहीं होता, हम उनको इज़्ज़त और सेल्फ़ रिस्पेक्ट के साथ बेहतर ज़िंदगी की तरफ हम उनका हाथ पकड़ते हैं कि भाई अगर वो कहीं पे अटके हैं। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल एजुकेशन की अगर मैं बात करूं तो हमारी ही कम्युनिटी में कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं कि बच्ची बहुत होशियार है, उनका बेटा बहुत होशियार है और पेरेंट्स के पास उसको पढ़ाने के पैसे नहीं हैं, तो हमारी टीम जाती है, हमें लीड आती है, हमारी टीम उनके पास जाती है, प्रॉपर तरीके से तहकीक करती है, 2 साल पहले के उनके रिज़ल्ट्स चेक करती है, उनके अंदर कितनी काबिलियत है उस हिसाब से हम लोग देखते हैं, फिर हम उनकी मदद करते हैं। अकॉर्डिंगली मेडिकल हेल्प में भी हम ऐसे ही करते हैं, राशन की किट में भी हम ऐसे ही करते हैं। और जो हमारा चौथा सेक्टर है सेल्फ़ रिलायंट हमने ओपन इसलिए किया था जिसका सिर्फ रीज़न था कि हमें कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि राशन की किट हम हर महीने किसी के घर भिजवाते हैं, तो वो फैमिली एक कंफर्ट जोन में आ जाती है कि आ ही जाता है ना, मंथली हमें मिल जाता है। तो हम ऐसी कुछ बेवा औरतें हैं, उनके पास जाके हम उनका हुनर पूछते हैं कि आप क्या कर सकते हो, तो हमें पता चलता है कि भाई हम लोग ये कर सकते हैं। एक लेडी की हमने हेल्प ऐसे की थी कि उन्होंने कहा था कि हमें मरी मसाला का बिज़नेस करना है, तो मैं माधोपुरा मार्केट से लाके ये मसाले इस तरीके से बेचूंगी। तो कुछ मुख्तलिफ अंदाज में हम लोगों ने किसी को चप्पल का माल दिला दिया, किसी को हमने तो ये उनको हम मूड़ी अरेंज करके देते हैं, कैपिटल अरेंज करके देते हैं, जिसका मकसद हमें वापस लेना बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, और वही मूड़ी से वो अपना पैसा बनाए और आगे की ज़िंदगी गुजारे। हमारी एक दुआ यही होती है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारी टीम हमने जब शुरुआत की थी तो 3 लोगों से 2022 में शुरुआत की थी, जो बढ़ते बढ़ते आज 25 लोगों की टीम हो गई है। और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये 25 लोग सब अलग अलग सलाहियत रखते हैं। कुछ लोग हमारे पास IT फील्ड्स के हैं, कुछ लोग हमारे पास टेक्निकल फील्ड्स के हैं, कुछ इवेंट्स वाली फील्ड के हैं। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह के करम से ये एक टीम हमारी मजबूत बन चुकी है और हम लोग जाते हैं, तहकीक करते हैं। तो हमारा एक मकसद सिर्फ ये हमारे कुछ मेंबर्स नहीं, सारे मेंबर्स जो तहकीक में जाते हैं, सबसे पहले हम नमाज की, दीन की तरकीब बताते हैं। सूरह बकरा की आयत नंबर 153 है, या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनुस्तईनु बिस्सब्रि वस्सलात इन्नल्लाहा मअस साबिरीन। तो हम इसके ज़रिए बात शुरू करते हैं कि भाई नमाज और दुआ के से ही अल्लाह से काम लेना है आपको, उसके अलावा बिल्कुल भी नहीं। और बिल्कुल हमारे पास कोई लीड आती है तो हम उसको कंप्लीट करते हैं प्रॉपर वे में, और उनको हम ये भी एहसास दिलाते हैं कि हम किसी को आपका नाम भी जाहिर नहीं होने देंगे कि हमने आपकी मदद की, और रिस्पेक्टफुली हम लोग बात करते हैं। और हम ऐसा भी जाहिर नहीं होने देते हैं कि हम तुम्हारी मदद करने आए हैं, हम बिल्कुल पोलाइटली उनसे प्रॉपर तरीके से बात करते हैं। हमारे जो प्रेसिडेंट है यासर भाई, वो हमारी बहुत फ़िक्र करते हैं और हमारी प्रॉपर वे में सारी मीटिंग्स होती हैं, प्रॉपर तरीके से ब्रीफिंग्स होती हैं। तो अल्लाह का करम है, हम लोग आगे इस तरीके से बढ़े हुए हैं। अभी तक आफियत फाउंडेशन ने चारों सेक्टर को मिला के अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 63 लाख रुपीस की मदद कर दी है 2022 से लेकर आज तक। तो बस एक छोटा सा तारुफ था आफियत फाउंडेशन के का, जो मैंने आपके सामने रखा था। और हमारा बस मैंने कहा कि मेन मोटो होता है कि उम्मत की फ़िक्र करना और उनको आगे किस तरीके से लेकर जाना। आप लोग भी हमारे साथ जुड़िए इंशाल्लाह, और आप लोगों के पास भी अगर कोई लीड आती है तो हमारे ज़िम्मेदार साथियों का नंबर आपको मिल जाएगा, आप उनको बताइए, हम उसकी प्रॉपर तरीके से तहकीक करेंगे, डिटेल में जाते हैं। मेडिकल के अंदर भी हमारे पास केमिस्ट अवेलेबल हैं, डॉक्टर्स अवेलेबल हैं, पीडियाट्रिक्स अवेलेबल हैं। तो उनके पास जाकर हम लोग केस को वेरीफाइड करते हैं, उसके बाद हम अप्रूव करते हैं। तो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, माइनर चीज़ों से हम लोग करते हैं, क्योंकि वी आर अ मीडिएटर। उम्मत का पैसा है, उम्मत का पैसा सही जगह पे हम लोग लगाने की कोशिश करते हैं, ये हमारा एक मेन मोटो होता है। आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आप लोग आएँ। और आफियत फाउंडेशन के बारे में अगर आपको किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन रेज होता है अपने माइंड में, तो वी आर एलिजिबल टू गिव यू दी आंसर। तो यहाँ पे हमारे टीम मेंबर्स में से फैसल भाई अलवी अवेलेबल हैं, यासर भाई, रैयान भाई अवेलेबल हैं। तो वी आर एप्लीकेबल टू गिव यू दी आंसर। तो आप बताइए अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है तो फाउंडेशन के बारे में कुछ है, कुछ आ रहा है आपके माइंड में? जी जी जी
मार्केट में काफ़ी ऐसे फीडबैक सुने हैं कैंडिडेट्स
जी
उनको जॉब के लिए चार्ज करते हैं, और तो कैंडिडेट्स इंटरव्यू के लिए आते हैं अपने पास, तो वही बोलते हैं सर चार्ज तो नहीं होगा, मैं सर्विस आपको चार्ज देते हैं। और हम हमारे पास जैसे कनेक्ट्स है, जैसे आप अलहमदिल्ला आफियत फाउंडेशन जो काम कर रही है वो आगे और भी बरकत है, वैसा ही सिमिलर टू मी, लाइक मैं भी मेरे पास भी इन माई ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस जो कंपनी के कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स होते हैं, आई जस्ट कनेक्ट एंड सिमिलर। तो अगर ऐसे कोई स्टूडेंट्स हो, सो आई विल ऑल्सो ट्राई टू हेल्प देम। जैसे रिक्वायरमेंट्स आती है तो मैं आफियत फाउंडेशन की जो भी गाइडलाइंस है या जो भी
जी जी बिल्कुल आप जी बिल्कुल आप कर सकते हैं।
इंडिया की या हैदराबाद की भी कहीं की भी रिक्वायरमेंट
जी जी जी
तो हेल्प टैलेंटेड प्रोफेशनल्स
मैं उस पर आना चाहूँगा। ओके ओके मैं आपकी बात समझ गया। अभी फ़िलहाल देखिए हमारा जो सेक्टर है वो सिर्फ अहमदाबाद तक ही सीमित है, तो अहमदाबाद की सारी इंक्वायरी हम मैनेज करने के लिए कर सकते हैं। और आप लीड दीजिए, हम प्रॉपर वे में तहकीक करेंगे, उनके डिटेल्स वगैरह करेंगे एंड हम उनकी हेल्प करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। बराबर है सर भाई? और कोई आप? हाँ ठीक है, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, जज़ाकल्लाह खैर। और आप लोगों का भी शुक्रिया, आप लोग आए, और हम लोग ऐसे छोटे छोटे सेशन करते रहेंगे। हम लोगों की तो मदद करते हैं, ये एक हमारा रैयान भाई हमारे जो हैं बहुत ज़िम्मेदार और फ़िक्र करते हैं। तो रैयान भाई का ही एक आइडिया था कि एफ लर्निंग का एक इनिशिएटिव लिया जाए कि उम्मत को हम किस तरीके की रहनुमाई दी जाए। तो इंशाल्लाह आप लोग आपका डेटा हमारे पास रहेगा, ऐसे भी हम लोग आगे फंक्शन करते रहेंगे और आप लोगों को हम बुलाएंगे, तो आप बिल्कुल ज्वाइन होना और अपने साथ भी लोगों को लेकर आना, तो हमें भी मज़ा आएगा, आप लोगों को भी मज़ा आएगा इंशाल्लाह। और एक छोटी सी बात बता के अपनी बात को ख़त्म करता हूँ। हम लोगों ने अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ब्लड डोनेशन का भी कैंप रखा था आफियत फाउंडेशन की जानिब से। तो अगर आपके पास कोई ब्लड के बारे में भी कोई रिक्वायरमेंट आती है तो आप वो भी हमें बता सकते हैं, तो उसको भी फुलफ़िल करने की हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे। ये सिर्फ अल्लाह करवा रहा है, अल्लाह के फजलो करम से हो रहा है, इसमें हमारा कोई कमाल बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। और हम अल्लाह से दुआ करते हैं कि हम लोग बिल्कुल छोटा होकर काम करें, बिल्कुल हम झुक कर काम करें और अल्लाह हमसे ये काम छीन ना ले बस। और आप भी खिदमत की टीम में भी जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो वो भी आप जुड़ सकते हो, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू। ठीक है, जज़ाकुमुल्लाह खैर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।